Hello guys, it's around 5:30 right now, and we are on the way to go to Satrem Waterfall. We're being joined by some friends, and it's going to be a long 2-hour trek, and going to be fun. We have to drive a couple of hours to reach Satrem, which is in Valpoi. So guys, अभी around 6 o'clock हो गए हैं and I'm waiting for my friend Babin. Once he comes, we'll start a journey. सादिया पहुंच चुके हैं अभी. Good morning Babin, शेव भी करके आया क्या?
नहीं.
ये let's go. Good morning boys. इतना fog है ना? Foggy है. Hi guys, so we've parked right in the middle of a bridge here and we are now in Mhadei Wildlife Sanctuary, and Babin is here out to do some shooting. It's around 8:15. Check out this view out here. And I think I have to remove my car because I'm blocking the traffic. So today we are joined by Mr. Ghaffar. This is Ghaffar, this is Sadia's brother. And you've seen him in Waterfall Waterfall video. Oh, this is Naveed. And here is Nabil. सातरे जाना सब लोग भूल गए हैं और फोटोग्राफी शुरू हो गई है यहाँ पे. So guys, we have parked now over here. So, and we have to park somewhere here. I think they are going to charge us. Locals are charging money. We also have to pay at the check post. Let's begin. It's around 8:30. Oh my God, Turulob. Pro style, pro tracker.
All set for trekking.
All set for trekking. लगता है इसको अपना दोस्त मिल गया.
100 रुपीज देने को रेट है.
स्टूडेंट.
तेरा स्टूडेंट ट्यूशन
कैसे हो गया?
सर कितले घेता तुम्ही पार्किंग चार्जेस? 100 घेता आणि फुल डे धरपा म्हणटा न्हू. आणि कितल्याक भायर सरपाचें हांगाच्यान?
100 म्हटलं 100 150.
100-150 ना. ओके, थैंक यू. बबिन, वो लोग 100 रुपीज चार्ज करता है कार के लिए.
लोकल होने तो आउटसाइडर होने तो.
So 100 rupees for the car over there. Oh, thank God, I think we have chai.
Yeah, finally.
We have chai. चलो ना.
नो माय गॉड, तू मजे स्टॉप कर नको, तू भिका में जा.
Mr. Babin in the chai. Let's have the chai. And our trek has now begun. स्टूडेंट मिला, हम लोग को भूल गया. देख, पति को भूल गया. स्टूडेंट मिला, पति को भूल गया. Turulob. So guys, we have begun with our trek and we've got a guide over there. Luckily the guide is student of Sadia. Sadia used to take tuitions before, so luckily we have a known guide. This is called luck, you know. Woo. And you can see the sun is almost out now, but the weather is quite cold in this jungle. So guys, on the way to the trek you can see there is one way which goes on the left and one which goes on the right. So you have to take this way on the right, okay, or you will get lost in the jungle. So let's keep heading ahead. That was some important information for you guys. Yeah, just look at this amazing view. Oh wow, look at this mountains here, amazing. So guys, most important thing when you're coming for a trek, you can carry your water bottles, chips and everything, but please do not litter. Just look at the silence and sound here. Amazing sound, silence, wildlife. So guys, we've reached over here near these rocks. So once you reach here, you will find two ways, one going on the right and one going on the left. So we have to take the left now. This will take you somewhere else. So our guide is taking us over there. Sadia is out there in front. So let's go, continue. Wow, just look at that, amazing. As you can see, we are now entering the thick forest of Mhadei Wildlife Sanctuary. Guys, so you have to cross this, I think. My god, you have to climb. Look at the stones here. So that is our guide. Tushar is taking us through the thick forest now. Oh my god. Be careful here. Oh my god. Oh, this is amazing. लगता है इनका गियर टूट गया. पास पास. हाँ. So after the first climb, we have our first victim of the steep climb.
बड़े चैप्टर है तुम्ही साया पोरा मैगली पोरी रहम भी खाते ना हंसती हूं पर तू
इसका गियर टूट गया भाई लोग. लगता है इसको ग्लूकॉन की जरूरत है. ग्लूकॉन डी. So after a steep climb, just having a drinks break, but it is a very steep climb. Jai और?
जल्दी.
Oh,
Come on.
come on boys, let's go.
Increase your stamina.
Guys, you can see some tattoos are drawn on the tree, barks of the tree, and you can see my condition in this track. Bobin still looks fresh, but I'm just sweating. What happened, Sadhya? We're just halfway there.
halfway हो मेरे फुल वे साइड
साइड ही कराओ.
किधर बिठाएंगे?
और फिर से एक गियर टूट गया. So a bit of a downhill slope. Babin is behind me. So to reach Satrem Waterfall, you have to come by car or bike, and there is a place where you can park. From there you have to do a trek, but to reach at the parking place, so from Panjim it is around 60 to 70 kilometers. Babin is doing the call sign. Sadhya and the others are behind. So yeah, like I said, around 70 kilometers from Panjim and roughly the same 68-65 kilometers from my town Vasco, which is close to the airport. So from Valpoi town it is around 17 to 18 kilometers. So we have actually completed the first hike, and we have two more steep slopes to climb, and then we will reach. So we are already completed one. I would say it is better if you get a guide, so that, my god, so I would say you better get a guide, and it will be really easy for you to reach. There is high possibility of you getting lost in the jungle, but if you like adventure and you want to try out your own, you can definitely try to trek alone. And Babin is right there behind me. Oh, look at that. So we have to go now more ahead. चलो चलो boys, चलो. So guys, finally मेरा भी gear टूट गया. Sadia stayed behind. She's waiting for her. Now we can actually hear the sound of water. It's been around 2 hours of trekking. I have no energy left in my legs. We have reached our first milestone, which is this small waterfall. So this is the first waterfall. Once you reach here, you have to go this way ahead to reach the main waterfall. So that was the end of all the steep climbs, and now it is a pretty plain trek now. But my god, I almost gave up, and I was thinking this was a very bad idea to choose this trek. Like क्यों आया मैं यहाँ पे? Let's hope the final destination is worth the struggle. Oh god, really? Especially if you're not a experienced trekker like me, you're going to question your decisions. I'm breathless right now. I cannot speak continuously. So sorry guys. Just look at that amazing sound of that waterfall. You can see a lot of trekkers out here. So let's click some pictures now. गिर गई. So now around just 10 minutes more walk from that first waterfall, and we're almost about to reach the main Satrem waterfall. And let's, right now Bobin is leading the way with the guide. Sadia really gave me a scare. She almost tripped and fell. Luckily she just fell right at the edge of the cliff, but thank god nothing happened. I just got a shock for a moment. She could have slipped and fallen down the cliff, you know. Quite scary. Look at this, guys. This is not an easy trek. Go, 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 go. So guys, don't get lost. Don't go on the left side. There's another steep climb here. So let's climb. You have to be careful not to slip because the sand is kind of muddy here. But thankfully there are some stones here. It is the steep climbs that really actually tire you, and my legs gave up almost 2-3 times, and I had no energy to walk. So that, I think so, was the last climb, and let's see where this takes us. I'm pretty much sure this is going to be a long video. A steep slope. Be careful. It's very difficult for me to hold the camera and get down at the same time. Oh my god, I might slip. So once you climb down from here, don't take the left, you have to take the right. Right is always right. So असे कितले घेतला रे तू guide? 500. So guys, guide is must if you want to reach safely without any hassle, because they know the way out here. There are lots of separate ways where you might get lost in the jungle, but if you hire a guide for 500 rupees, especially if you're new in Goa, it will be a very helpful decision for you. The rocky terrain. I can hear the sound of that waterfall now. Almost there. The sound of that waterfall now. Ooh, we finally reached. Just look at this amazing place, guys. Just look at those rocks. Just worth it. So guys, we've reached Satrem Waterfall after We started the trek at 8:45. We've reached here at 11:15, kind of at 11:15. But we took a lot of stops in the middle because our gears just broke. We are not experienced trekkers, but look at that amazing view behind, guys. I'm going to show you a cinematic sequence of this, but it's time to have something because we left hungry, so it's time for breakfast now. And the breakfast is at 11:30. Maybe that is the reason why we were not able to get energy to climb the steep slopes. We will eat something and then we'll show you the place around. So one thing I noticed here is that trekkers that come here are making this place dirty. So guys, don't do this. Such a beautiful place and you are coming here to trek. Don't leave your eatables, your plastics, chips packets and your beer bottles or your paper plates here, because it just spoils the beauty of this place. But wow, just look at that. Nothing compares here. For me, I have never seen a beautiful waterfall like this. I mean, I feel like I've come at some international, yeah. ऐसा नहीं लगता कोई international location पे आया जैसा like Bali, like I've seen videos of Bali and all. They have waterfalls like this, but nothing like this in India. Like the way the stones are cut, just amazing. Let's eat something and then we'll show you around.
It's hard for me to let go, but I think that I'm finally feeling good again. So hard cause I love you, but I'm finally feeling like myself.
So guys, check that out, the waterfall right behind me. Just looks so amazing. I don't know to swim, so I'm not going to jump in that water right now. But Babin is taking some amazing photos. Babin is also my work colleague and he is also a professional photographer. So I'm going to put his Instagram link down. You can check him out. I mean, just look at that view behind. Like, you cannot feel that you are in India right now because it gives you that international feel here. And it is actually 12 and it is so cool here because of the trees, that there is hardly any sunlight that falls on you. So it is an amazing place, and especially if you are swimming, you know to swim, then you are going to enjoy a lot over here. And this place is beautiful for photography, so you have to check this out. But for such beauty you have to give some hard work, and that is 2 hours of trekking, which might break you.
I'm finally healing from you. I'm finally healing. I'm finally healing from you. I'm finally healing.
This is one of the most wonderful waterfall which I have ever seen.
Look at the people shouting out there.
This is like a small Bali of Goa.
Yeah guys, this kind of waterfalls you usually see in videos of Bali on YouTube, but look at this, amazing. Please keep Goa clean. Once again, look at this. If you're coming to have picnics, please take your trash. Please take your trash along with you. Please don't keep it like this. This is very shameful. I think in few months you will see this place from a beautiful place will become full of garbage and trash. तो साथिया, कैसे लगा आपको ये प्लेस?
मुझे तो बहुत अच्छी लगी ये जगह, बहुत ही ब्यूटीफुल है, धूप नहीं है और ये स्टोन्स जो है वाव, बहुत ही ब्यूटीफुल है जगह। बट हुआ ऐसे कि आते आते मैं गिर गई, पैर में लगी है मेरे मोच। पता नहीं अभी बाकी की जो जर्नी है इतना चल के मैं कैसे जाऊंगी, लेकिन कुछ नहीं, इतना चलने के बाद भी जब आपको यहाँ पर ये देखने के बाद जो सुकून मिलता है ना, वाह। तो गाइस, जब आप लोग वाइल्ड लाइफ सेंचुरी का जो चेक पोस्ट है वहाँ पर आप जब एंटर करते हो तो आपको 100 रुपीज़ कार का पे करना पड़ेगा और 50 रुपीज़ आपको बाइक का पे करना पड़ेगा। और अभी कार में जितने मेंबर्स होंगे, लाइक 5 मेंबर्स होंगे तो 5 मेंबर्स का ईच मेंबर का 100 रुपीज़, वैसे आपको 5 मेंबर्स के 500 रुपीज़ पे करने पड़ेंगे। वहाँ पर बोर्ड भी होगा, आप देख के आ सकते हो। 7 o'clock के बाद में ही एंट्री है। अगर आप सैट्रेम आ रहे हो तो मॉर्निंग 7:30 के बाद ही आइए, क्योंकि उससे पहले वहाँ की जो चेक पोस्ट की गेट रहती है वो क्लोज रहती है।
So guys, that was Satrem Waterfall for you. I hope we've given you a lot of information, and big thanks to Babin and Tushar out here who brought us to this place. And I hope you like this video, and keep following us, share this video so that people can come here. It is a very tough trek to reach here, but once you reach here, it's an amazing place. So guys, if you like this video, hit the like button and share this video, hit the subscribe button. And if you are new to my channel, I'm Kalandar and this was my team, that is Babin. So you can follow him on Instagram. I'm going to post his link out there too. So take care, bye bye guys, have a nice day, enjoy, and I hope you come to Satrem to enjoy. This is one of the best hidden waterfall in Goa, and I'm sure in a few months to come this is going to be a big tourist spot in Goa. So guys, take care, bye bye, take care, see you in the next video, bye. On the way back, and Babin has gone way ahead. Babin! Can you hear him? Babin! Woo! Woo! Babin! Yeah, I can hear him. Going back is also the same hardship, but it's fine. So that was it guys. I hope. Bye 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 bye.